Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are doing something a little bit different, something I've actually never done on channel. Doing a little bit of speed art. There was a new version of Blender that came out recently. If you didn't know, I dabble in the 3D realm a little bit myself, and I decided I kind of wanted to play around with it, and I kind of wanted to try something new. And I've never done low poly artwork before, and I decided to give it a whirl and make this little island scene that you see me sculpting right here. Anyway, guys, yeah, it's sorry for the lack of gaming videos. I've been battling a really deep depression, and it's got me all kinds of out of whack. I've been sleeping anywhere between 12 to 14, 15 hours a day. I literally just can't get myself out of bed and it doesn't matter what time I go to bed. I can go to bed at like 10 p.m. and I won't get up until like 3 in the afternoon the next day. And that in itself actually makes me feel even worse, that I don't have the willpower to be able to actually get up and do the things that I need to do. I mean, YouTube's suffering, my daily routine, my daily life, my house is suffering, and yeah, it's really crappy feeling. But you know, when I get like this, I tend to, I don't know, I tend to dabble with, I tend to draw a lot, and I tend to maybe play my guitar some here and there, and you know, do more artsy stuff, I guess. Stuff that I normally don't do, and I used to do quite a lot when I was younger. There really wasn't a time that I did not have a sketch pad with me and was, you know, doodling something. I was that kid in the back of the class always drawing, if you know what I mean. So, you know, it's just, I don't know, it's kind of a relaxing thing. So I hope you guys enjoy this style of video. If you do, I might do some more of it, because I have some really cool ideas. I don't know, I guess I'm hitting at some kind of weird artistic phase at the moment, but I have some really cool ideas I want to kind of try. And if you guys like this video, let me know and I'll put out a few more. Anyway, yeah, let me know what you think of this. It's my first time doing low poly, and it's been probably a better part of 2 years since I've actually touched 3D software, so bear with me if any of you out there are experts. Taros, I'm talking to you, just saying, bro. Anyway, let me know what you think, and I hope you guys enjoy, and until the next video, this is Neo, and I'll see you later, guys. I love y'all. Bye.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry, and there it is, my love, 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 mind and body just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not holding me back, I know. We're young and we never take things slow. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry, and there it is, my love, 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 I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more pain. I calm down and I watch it dry, and there it is, my love, I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. Stay with me and I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. We can never go back this road. You never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's
Heart full of blues out in the dirt. Down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been real bad. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night.